Dalo no, kekon, kekonume. Kekime. Okay. Today, I'm going to be discussing how you can learn Igbo faster. Okay, right. Learning a language is a marathon, it's not a sprint, okay? However, there are strategies and tips and tricks that you can use to make it faster, okay? So one of those I'll be discussing today is finding a group to make you accountable. I've said it before, but I'm mentioning it again now because I'm running this challenge, okay, 5-day challenge, okay, to get you speaking about one of your interests in Igbo, okay? So this challenge is going to help you learn to discuss a topic, a particular topic, in 5 days in Igbo, okay? Are you up for the challenge? Okay? So if you're up for the challenge, head on to that link below the video and register, and we'll meet you in the Facebook group, okay? So we'll be running it in the group. So when you register, you let me know what your topic is, and I'll get you some PDFs and audio just before the challenge starts. It started on the 26th of February, okay? It's starting 26th of February. And then when I get you the materials, I'll send you emails daily to remind you, and there'll be live sections in the Facebook group, and then there'll be a live group call as well. Okay, so by the end of that week, end of that 5 days, you should be speaking confidently. By the end of that 5 days, you should speak confidently about whatever topic it is you've chosen. So whatever it is it about braiding hair, cooking rice, running, whatever topic really that is your passion. Just choose something that you're passionate about, okay? All right? Fine. So go on, head over, register, and I will meet you at the challenge. Dala.